Thanksgiving is 1 week away, y'all. 1 week. So this morning, I'm doing a little Thanksgiving decorating in here. We're gonna change up the table, and I'm gonna rearrange some of the stuff over here so we can bring the turkey up here where we can see it better. I think I'll just switch the turkey and the pumpkin thing there. But I need to organize this a little bit too, because it's gotten a little bit messy. It's where we keep our honeys and all that kind of stuff, and yeah, gotten a little messy over here. Extra jars are right here. So we'll organize that and move our turkey up, and we're gonna make the Thanksgiving table centerpiece with the stuff that we got from the Dollar Tree. I'm trying to decide if I want to leave this tablecloth on here or switch it to this one. This one though is it's, you know, just plastic or whatever, so I kind of want to use it for the outside table. These are little pins that I'm going to use to put on the pies or desserts, probably all the desserts, because on Thanksgiving Day I'll probably only take out 3 pies. Pie day is coming soon, y'all. So we'll probably use all these for just the desserts, just to label them, you know. So I don't need this today. Speaking of desserts, you will notice a great assortment of things over here. This is from a little thing Titus made last night. While I'm getting everything cleaned up, I'm gonna take y'all back in time. Y'all ever seen those videos on YouTube, or even like Google sometimes suggests them, where people take like a bunch of random holiday food things, arrange it all in a bowl somehow and call it good? He's been watching those.
What?
Those videos where people put just stuff like this everywhere. You're kind of taking a childhood favorite dessert of yours, right?
I'm going back to my childhood, but I'm going to change.
We don't even know what it's called. We can't remember what his mama called it.
Christmas tree, Christmas explosion.
Right, Christmas cookie explosion right here.
Do we want just one on the top?
Yeah, I think we're just gonna do one of the Christmas tree cakes.
Do one of them on top.
We had different ideas.
We had lots of ideas.
When he was a kid, y'all used Chips Ahoy cookies, right? The crunchy kind, Chips Ahoy.
Yes, that's exactly right. Now, I just thought, you know, this would be...
We tried to find...
This has got chocolate chips in it.
Oh, yeah.
What we're gonna need first is, we're gonna need something.
A bowl of milk.
We're gonna need a soak of milk, yeah.
As y'all can see, I'm already ready for bed. That's because when the sun goes down at 5:30, my brain says it's bedtime. Wasn't I getting ready for bed at 5:30 though?
Yeah, she did. I mean, I was like, what?
Yeah.
That's almost
Oh
it.
yeah, they're gonna see. We don't care if it goes over the top a little bit.
No, we don't care about something like that.
And we're just making this size.
I could probably cut these little stems off like you sometimes have to trim a Christmas tree.
Trim the tree.
We're
Trim
gonna
the
have
tree.
to, I gotta trim it.
So we're putting milk in here. Now I had never ever seen this dessert, y'all, until we were married.
She married into the family.
Yes. And after we were married, they were telling me about this, and I was like, what?
Oh, this is gonna be perfect, Mama.
Oh, it is.
Folks, we're doing something good here. See here, I'm gonna go ahead and trim this off right here. Just like that, just to kinda, you know what I'm saying, make it feel a little better.
Yeah.
Y'all make this right here for your family. Even if you don't have one that's just exactly
that size.
that size right there. We had to look for this one.
Yo, see, we didn't have a flat bottom. You know, y'all know what I'm saying. A trifle dish.
Your family's gonna appreciate this. Right
And kids would love to make it with you. It's really easy.
Y'all ain't gonna believe this, buddy. We talking about this thing gonna fit perfect.
Oh,
right
that's
there.
amazing.
I think we're gonna start out with whipped cream.
Whipped cream on the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whipped cream on the bottom.
Is it thawed out enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Throw this right down in there, and see, we'll just pat that down like that. All right, now, here's what you do, everybody.
Cookies in the snow. Christmas cookies in the snow. Pudding.
There you go.
We'll
What's it called
change the
again?
name.
What's this thing called?
It's that cookie thing.
Y'all make that cookie thing. All right, so this is where it gets a little tricky. You probably want to get you a little spoon
Okay.
for this right here.
The audience.
I got a live audience.
Do you remember this dessert, Tyler?
What?
Dessert where you just dip the, Daddy, he normally uses Chips Ahoy cookies, dip it in milk, and then you put Cool Whip, put the cookies down, put Cool Whip on top and layer it. You don't remember it? Tyler doesn't remember it.
So we going in like this, soak them for just a second, and then just pull them right out like this right here. And then just lay it right in here. Like that. And push it over against that Christmas tree. Pull
Now,
it
I had thought about actually dipping the Christmas tree cookies, but that wouldn't work with this size bowl because you wouldn't even be able to fit, you would only fit one.
Right, and y'all be surprised how good this is right here. Once these cookies really
That one's all blue.
You never can have too many M&Ms, folks. We know there's probably gonna be M&Ms in heaven. You just want to drop them in. See there?
Oh,
Okay,
like little
just-
snowflakes. Just,
Yep, just
oh
right
my.
behind. I wouldn't be against it.
Let them show in the cracks, yeah.
Throw them on the floor. I just say, you know what I'm saying? Find some after Thanksgiving, you know? There you go. I was just kidding.
You gotta be
Make
careful.
Sure you tell people today. I was just kidding about that. Put you another layer of whipped cream. Just like this.
Yeah,
right
this
here.
is really pretty.
Mama, I'm telling you something. Look at here. I forget what Mom and them called this right here, to be
I
honest
do
with
too.
you.
I can't remember either. But these are Loft House cookies. Let's see what these gingerbread ones taste like, because this one got broken in half. You can dip in a little whipped cream if you want to.
How is it, Mom?
Good.
While our cookies are soaking, everyone, decorate with more M&Ms. You want these to be kind of near the edge. That way everybody can see that there's more to this than what meets the eye.
What you gonna do with those peeps? Or they just watch them?
What peeps? Oh, I'll tell you what we'll do. I gotta get these out right here. These are gonna over soak. Y'all can see how simple this is though. It's a very simple dessert, but very tasty.
What happens is those.
The milk soaks up into that cookie and it makes them really, I mean, just great. Y'all folks, I'm just telling you something. This is
It really does turn it into almost like a pudding.
like a little chocolate chip pudding. This is gonna be good right here. Not only is this good, it's colorful, it looks good. All right, let go of the cookies. Let go of the cookies. All right, now, put another layer of whipped cream.
Manny, look at this dessert Daddy's making. What do you think about it?
Good.
There's another layer right there. Now, let's put one more layer of whipped cream.
If that ain't the star on
Look
the
at
Christmas
that,
tree,
y'all.
that
I mean,
is
y'all
so
take that to
cute.
your little get together. You know what I'm saying? They'll know this is a Christmas dish.
The top's what I'm excited for. We're all excited to see what you do with the top.
Folks, we're all gonna be excited because I don't know yet either. See these Christmas colors coming to you? Look at him. Now, y'all may be surprised, but M&M's did not sponsor this video. Do you think we need to put this snowman right here, Mama, like this? I think that's gonna
I
look
think
the
that's
best.
good, yeah. I think you need
Now
to.
y'all look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty.
When y'all said and done, that's what you got. You come into the house and be like, Merry Christmas, all.
His first thought was to put the Christmas tree cakes all around it, y'all.
Yeah.
All
was
around.
in my mind
and
first.
that would be good with another idea. We'll save this for that
We're
other
gonna save
idea
that
we
for
talked
another
about.
idea.
Yeah, we'll save that.
that
Coming
is-
soon.
Here is an idea for you to take to your get together, and you let that set for about 3 hours
In the refrigerator.
in the refrigerator, and you will see that will be really good. All right, everybody, it's been a few hours. This deal is ready. Fixing to show it to you right here again. Check the snowman out.
It's so cute. You don't even want to mess it up, you know?
What a cute dessert.
Yeah. It's an avalanche.
Reach way down in the bottom. Look at the layers on the inside.
Yeah, what's blue?
M&M, beautiful.
Oh, and the cookies. Okay.
Y'all see that right there?
Oh, yeah.
How many layers?
Uh-huh.
This is gonna be good, I can tell you. Delightful. That is really good. It's better than Chip Always.
Really?
Yeah. You can kind of see what them cookies do after they've been soaked, you know, they've been setting for a while and they soaked up that milk. That's really good.
do y'all think we should do? This one or this one as the centerpiece? I just put the turkey in the middle right now until we decide. Whichever one we don't use in here, we'll put on the table outside that we use. I kind of like this one for outside with the tin bucket, and this one for inside. This was on the back porch. I just brought it in here. And I'll put this here. Tyler's cranking his truck. Or there it is with that one. I think I like this one better for in here, this one for the outside table. But all this stuff came from the Dollar Tree, except some of the pine cones and stuff. They came in that little bag that we got from Hobby Lobby. And the corn, we got that from the grocery store, from Betty's Country Store. But all the rest of it is Dollar Tree stuff.
Is it Thanksgiving?
Not yet, one more week.